iostudy.net.
Hello everyone, this is Danielle, and in this video we're going to learn about the passive voice, the present simple, and the past simple. So as you can see, here is our mind map with the present simple and the past simple. So let's first talk about the present simple. So the form of the present simple is here. Subject plus verb with S or ES plus object. And that becomes subject plus is, am, or are plus verb ed or verb in the past participle plus by plus object. So the subject became the object and the object became the subject here. Okay, so example number 1. And example 2. So example number 1, Mary studies English every day in the active voice. And passive voice, English is studied by Mary every day. So as you can see here in these two examples, active and passive, we're using this form. Example number 2. Active. He cleans this room every day. And passive. This room is cleaned by him every day. So here we have two examples of active and passive voice using this form. Okay, so that was the present simple in the passive voice. So now let's go to the past simple. So here we have the form, which is subject plus verb ed plus verb or verb in the past participle plus object. Then the object becomes a subject plus was, were, plus verb ed or verb in the past participle plus by object, which was the subject. So let's see some examples. Example 1 and example 2. So example 1, for the past simple. In the active voice, they built this house in 2003. Passive. This house was built in 2003 by him. Okay, example 2. Active voice. My mother made these cakes. And passive voice. These cakes were made by my mother. Okay, so as you can see, both of those examples use the past simple to talk about the passive voice using this form. Okay, so now here you have your completed mind map for the passive voice using the present simple and the past simple. So you can come back to this at any time. Now let's click here to find the outline for the passive voice, present simple and past simple. So here you have the outline for the passive voice, present simple and past simple. So we have an example for you with further information on how to use this correctly in English grammar. So study this to find examples and further information. Once you're finished reading that, you can click here to take the test. And in the next video, we're going to take the test together. So thanks for joining me in this video where we learned about the English grammar rules for the passive voice using present simple and past simple. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye!